Hey everybody, it's Jason with JERRC. Just wanted to kind of show you a little bit of a look at the Persees truck chassis that I got. I got the body on it already, but kind of see, some people call it the cheese grater because it's got all the holes in it, but this chassis is very adaptable to pretty much any situation you can think of. Right here it's in the monster truck form. You can set it up for mega truck. I've also got a crawler version, which I guess would be like an 8-scale crawler, because it is obviously bigger than the regular 10-scale. But anyway, some of the things that I offer here too are the upper and lower links, the sway bars, the chassis obviously, and I'm also in the transmission plate, which is universal transmission mount, so you can put basically a SCS, Freestyle RC, SMT10, ground pounder, Wraith, you know, basically any transmission you want you can put on there without having to change anything to the frame. And it also comes with a top support as well. But what I'm working on now, what I'm kind of showing you now, is I'm working on some wheel spacers for the truck. These are my own design. I mean, I guess you can't really reinvent the wheel but so much, but they are designed to fit the J concept wheels, either the mega truck or any of the monster truck. Also the crush locks, which a lot of people are making now and using, they'll fit those as well, as long as the whole pattern's the same. And you'll have the option of using 2.5mm or 3mm. I'm running 3mm on mine right now. Again, these are printed. I wanted to kind of see, one, the design, and two, how they hold up compared to, like, say, your J concept standard wheel hubs. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and fire this up and I'll get you back on here. Alright, so a little punchy, which is good. I got silicone earplugs in the diff, so it's locked about 90%, 95%. So it's real jumpy, and we'll see how she does. Oh no! Oh, I split the rear. Right there. Dang it. That sucks. Anyway. Well, I guess my wheel hubs held up. Held up better than the drive shaft did. only got front wheel drive. So do a little reverse backflip. Or a corkscrew. Oop, now I lost everything. Now I split the front drive shaft. Well, these are the JERRC drive shafts, as you can see. My hubs actually held up good, because typically I would break the hub well before anything else, but I just shattered the drive shaft there, and the drive shaft there. Anyways, alright, so looking at my hubs, everything looks like the hubs held up, which is good, seeing as how they're only printed plastic. So yeah, anyways, alright, check out the page JERRC on Facebook, or go to jercustomdesigns.com/shop, and you can check out what I got. If you like it, let me know. Grab you some, give me some feedback. Always looking to improve things. So until next time.